I walked by the bathroom and I heard all kinds of noises, and then I saw this little baby right here. Looks like its sibling is up higher, but look at this little tiny. I guess he can't fly yet. Where's your nest? You probably shouldn't even be out of the nest yet, little thing. There's the other one up there. A little bit bigger. Oh gosh. It's hard to focus. I don't know where their nest is. I think it might be a starling baby. It turned its head and I'm looking at its feathers. Where's Mama? Oh, look how cute. Little fledglings. One on top, one on the bottom. Well, I mean on the bottom below me. Oh, I think there's more actually. Well, no, maybe there's not. See, look all the way down here is where the other little baby is. Where'd it go? Hi, little tiny. There he is. Look at him. Hi. So cute. God, it's so cute. I thought it was stuck, so I got a little bit closer. And then it came right up on this little branch when I was talking to it. Oh my God, that is cute. I hope the mom didn't forget it. She's over there with the other baby, but she hasn't come over to this one. This one keeps talking to her. Hi, little cuteness. Look at it. It's like, hey, I'm over here. Oh my God, so cute. You stay there. Don't you come through here. This is not where your mama is. See, look, it's right at the edge of the fencing. Here's its mom talking. Tired. I hope it doesn't. Oh, that sound means the mama is feeding the other one. I saw it up above. Now it's out of view though. They need to feed this one. Jeez. He's tired. He says, why did I get out of the nest? Hello, I'm talking to you, Mama. You have another baby over there. Hello. Mama flew out. Maybe she's gonna feed the other baby. Hello, are you going to feed your other baby? Mama flew off in the other direction, so hopefully this baby is going to get fed next, because she's fed the other one like 7 times since I've been here. This little thing needs to get fed. So that it can hurry and grow. And get back up on a higher branch with its sibling. Look at its little fluffiness. Little curly hair. God, that's cute. Finally, she's feeding it. Finally. Finally. Poor little one's been waiting and waiting and waiting. Says, hey, give us some more. Where'd she go with all the food? Oh, he's motoring now. Wow, it's really moving around now. Says I gotta follow that lady. She got the food. Let her know where I'm at.